Hey guys, it's BH Halloween, and today I'm going to be doing a setup and demo of the Spirit Halloween Bog Zombie animatronic. Let's get into it. Now, let's take everything out of the box. Here we have his pants, his shirt, leg foam, an arm, his main control box and shoulder piece, his head, his hands, feet, his leg bone, his base, his mechanism and hip loop, other arm pole, his leg poles, and his power cord. Once you take everything out of the box, to start the build, you're going to want to grab your base, and then you're going to want to take the feet and put these on, and then grab leg pull C and B. C goes on the front, and B goes on the back. And then you're going to want to grab your other leg pulls. They are both labeled D, so it does not matter which side they go on. Now you're going to want to grab his leg bone here, put this on his back left leg, and then grab his leg foam, put this on his front right leg, and then grab his pants and put those on. Okay, once you get his pants on, you're going to want to grab his mechanism and put this on to his leg pulls. And then you're going to want to grab his hip loop. Make sure big side goes to big side and little side goes to little side. Once you get that on, you're going to want to grab his main mechanism and his shoulder piece and put these on. And then you can pull his pants up around his hip loop. And then you can go ahead and attach blue wire to blue wire for his mechanism. And you're going to want to grab his shirt and put his shirt on. Okay, once you get the shirt on, you're going to want to take your arm, slide it up the sleeve, retrieve it on the other side, attach it to the shoulder piece, pull your shirt over, grab your other arm, slide it up the other sleeve, retrieve it on the other side, attach it to the shoulder piece, pull the shirt over, and then you're going to want to grab the hands and attach the hands to each arm. You can pull the sleeve back over. And then do the same thing on the other side. Attach the hand and pull the sleeve over. After you get the arms on, you're going to want to take his head. It does have 3 notches you can put this in up here. I put mine in the center. And then you can pull the shirt back around. And Velcro the back up. And then your setup's complete. Now we'll get to the demo. Now I got them all wired up, and let's get to the demo. Here's another quick demo of him in the dark. There it was, the Spirit Halloween Bog Zombie animatronic. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.